Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. We have the Walker Razor Slim electronic earmuffs here, and these things are sweet. I'm going to give you my full unbiased opinion on these at the end. I'm going to go out to the range and use them. One of the best features I'm going to tell you up front is right here. You can actually hear people talking on the range, which is super helpful. And I'll walk you through all of it and tell you my unbiased review of this product. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Do be careful not to stick the blade too far down. Inside, right here we go. These are the Razor Slim electrical muffs by Walkers. This is the Patriot series. These things are super awesome. They are electronic. They really do help keep the noise level down, especially when shooting. There is an auxiliary jack. You can see all the different features that it has right there. It does include 2 AA batteries as well. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Little cut, little cut. And as we open it up, very nicely packed. We do get an instruction manual, so you will want to read over this entire part here. It does have a microphone, so when people are talking, you can still hear them when shooting and doing other loud activities, which is very, very nice. You can see all the different data right there. We'll go ahead and open them up. It does come with 2 Duracell batteries, so not little cheap ones. These ones actually are quality. Go ahead and set those off to the side. And just the beginning feel of these is a very high quality. It's got nice soft features to it, and seems like it will work very, very well. So let me show you how to install the batteries. So if you pull both of these down, then you can do the side that does not have the jack or the knob. This side right here is your battery side, so you go ahead and push that up. Go ahead and insert your batteries. It does say to only use new batteries. Don't mix old and new together. It seems to drain them faster normally. And make sure that is snapped into place. Right here is your volume knob. And then you can hear it click to go off. You have your 3.5mm jack right there as well. It does have removable patches if you want to remove those for any reason. But very quality. It allows you to really expand out if you got a bigger head. I do have a bigger head, so that is a nice feature that it does easily move in and out. Overall, very high quality. I can't wait to try these things out and give you guys my honest review. So now I've had 2 rounds of sporting clays with these Walker's razors, and they are working really well. You can turn up and turn down that ambient noise, which is really nice. You can also use these things for like cutting grass, or if you need anything else that is very loud, these things will work really well. My favorite part is that I could actually hear the people I was shooting with, and you can have kind of a conversation when wearing these. So I would highly recommend you getting a pair if you are interested in something like that. They are very well designed. I was able to leave these on for 2 rounds. Without really having to take them off, and it was like 80 something degrees today. So I was a little hot and sweaty, but these stayed really well. The foam supports here are really nice and solid. I'm excited that I got this, and glad I could show a little bit of a review for you. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.